micro project is a parametric in situ ultrasonic cleaning on a titanium 64 alloy. So basically we're trying to study the effect of ultrasonic cleaning post-processing on how the green refinement will behave and try to improve the mechanical properties of TI64. So we've been using the B46 Welding Research Center particularly for our experiments. We have been also using the IMAC for structural analysis like EVSG to study how the contour would behave in the grain refinement sections of it. So we've been using the facilities like KUKA robot, and one we've been using also from Instatech, which is for our vacuum pressure test, KUKA robot for our manipulator, and then EVSD for our cross-sectional imaging and macro and micro processing imaging for it. Particularly metal additive manufacturing post-processing and metal additive manufacturing processes and manufacturing operations are few of the subjects that we have been taught that have been able to use the theories of to validate the results of the experiments we have been doing. So as a matter of fact, the module of metal additive manufacturing is also approved by Royal Aeronautics Society and Institution of Mechanical Society, which is commendable. So I would say the course has been very beneficial to me to understand the experiment, the